Hey creatives! Welcome back to CreatorPan Studio. Today's quick Canva tip. What is a frame and how do you use it? Let's jump in. What is a frame? To find frames, just go to the left sidebar, click Elements, and type Frames in the search bar. You'll see tons of shapes appear. Now, drag a frame onto your design. Here, I'm just showing the different types of frames in Canva. Then simply drag an image or video into it. Boom, it snaps perfectly into place. You can double-click to adjust the crop or resize it however you want. And that's it. That's how you use frames in Canva. Wondering how it helps in editing? Here's the outcome when you use frames in Canva. This sample design can help enhance your editing skills. Don't forget to hit subscribe and binge my other videos for more Canva tips and tricks you can use right away.